Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question number 4 of the 047822 February-March 2023 past paper. The question is, describe how variables and constants are used in programming. This question is not very tough, but we need to be very careful to get the maximum marks. As it has 3 marks, we need to write at least 3 points describing the usage of variables and constants in programming to grab all the marks. Let's have some idea about variables and constants. A variable is a named storage location in memory that can hold a value, and that value can change during the execution of the program. Variables are used when we expect that the data it's holding can change. A very simple example could be the counter in a loop, which changes its value for each iteration of the loop. On the other hand, a constant is a named storage location in memory that can hold a value, and that value cannot change during the execution of the program. Constants are used when we expect that data it's holding will remain unchanged. A very simple example be of pi or gravitational force. So we can conclude our answer like below. The variables and constants are used to store items of data. The data stored in variables and constants are accessed by an identifier that are the named data stores. The value of a variable may change during the execution of a program. The value of a constant will remain the same during the execution of a program. That's it. Excellent! We have completed our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in next video. Have a nice day.